What's going on, everybody? Now, a really hot option in all of our new BMWs is, of course, the heads-up display. Now, what I love about this is you're able to keep your eyes on the road, never have to take it over and down like other brands out there. Now, I'm not here to talk bad about other brands, but we all know those big vertical tablets that you got to look all the way over and down, and now your eyes are not on the road. So, this car right now is equipped with the curved display, so it's angled towards the driver to keep you safe, and it also has a heads-up display. What I love about this heads-up display is that you have the option to either darken it, brighten it up, or move it up, down, left, right, and angle to exactly how you drive. So we're gonna show you how to do that in just a few easy steps right now. Okay, so now that we're in our home screen here, to get to the apps, you want to click this little 4 square in the top left corner. I'm going to click that. To get to your heads-up display, it is under the icon of displays. We are now going to click that. Go to heads-up display. Now we're in height, rotation, and brightness. I personally like to have the brightness all the way up because I wear polarized glasses, which distorts the picture a little bit, but I'm still able to see it. The height, you can adjust the height just by simply clicking on this and dragging down or up. You can also use the dial on your center console by clicking on it and then moving it that way. This will allow you to get the perfect position for your heads-up display where you can see everything, and it's going to make a world of a difference while experienced driving this beautiful BMW. So guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this. Super simple, super simple to actually get your heads-up display exactly where you need it and be safe while you're driving. Why I like it so much is because I never have to take my eyes off the road. I'm not going to talk bad about other brands, but we all know that there are other brands out there that actually have a huge vertical screen. You got to look all the way over and down, and now your eyes are not on the road. With the heads-up display, the curved display, everything in a BMW is driver-centric to give you the best driving experience possible. Guys, when you and your family are in the market, let me know and I'll be honored to help. 908-437-8721. Talk to you guys soon.